A small school district southeast of the valley has been hit hard by the coronavirus. Hayden Winkleman Unified School District lost teacher Kim Beard to COVID-19 last month, and 4 other staff members are currently infected with the virus while others await testing. The superintendent for the district is sharing his concerns with schools reopening for in-person learning with Team 12's Colleen Sikora. Colleen?
Bottom line, he doesn't want to lose another teacher, a staff member, or a student to COVID-19 and worries that's what's at risk when Arizona schools head back for in-person learning.
It's really hard for me to sleep.
Health and safety
Now we have to make a decision on life and death here.
is what Superintendent Jeff Gregorich of the Hayden Winkleman Unified School District is thinking about.
Our wounds are not healed from losing Kim.
Back in June, the small school district lost longtime teacher Kim Bird to COVID-19. Bird was teaching summer school from a classroom with 2 other teachers. They both tested positive, and now Gregorich says 4 other district staff members have contracted the virus too, with half a dozen others waiting on results.
It's a high percent of my staff now.
The district is teaching remotely until September 8th for now, but Gregorich is concerned for others around the state.
I'm scared for those teachers that are going to go into the classroom and think that they can keep themselves safe.
Schools are still waiting on guidance to reopen in-person learning from the state. Those benchmarks are supposed to be released by August 7th.
The most frustrating part about all of this is these are decisions that should have been made in June and July.
Joe Thomas, president of the Arizona Education Association, says teachers are left in limbo right now and need clarity.
We don't have a solid ground to plan on, and it becomes very frustrating. And we're seeing that some educators are saying that they can't move into this safely. And so we're starting to see resignations.
Thomas and Gregorich agree educators want to be back in the classroom, but right now,
My feeling is at what cost?
Gregorich worries other lives could be on the line. Colleen Sikora, 12 News.